Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna make seafood boil. So if you want to see how I make seafood boil, please stay tuned and watch this video. The ingredients that I'll be using some crab leg, some egg, potato, some clam, corn and shrimp. So these are what I'm gonna use to make this seafood boil: crab legs, potato, corn, shrimp, and egg, and some clam. You need to put the water to a boil. You need boiling water. Make the water start boiling up. I'm gonna cut up half a lemon into the boil to put into the water. I'm gonna cut up half of it and put it into the water to give the water some flavor and spicy. So I'm gonna add this into the boil. And I'm gonna add half of onion into the boil also. I'm gonna save back this remaining onion to make the sauce. So I'm just gonna go ahead and chop this up real quick. And the crab leg, everything is nicely washed. I scrub them with a brush. I wash them nicely under nice cool running water. I wash everything before. So you need to wash your crab leg to get rid of any impurity or any little fossil on the shell. So go ahead and wash them, devein your shrimp and all those things. So you're gonna put this aside now. I'm gonna go ahead and season the water. I'm gonna go ahead and add some parsley to it and about 3 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now you want to go ahead and taste that and see if it's your liking. See if it's seasoning enough for you. If you want more seasoning, you can add more seasoning. Spice it up. You are going to eat it, so make it like how you like it. Now I'm gonna add the potato first because they take the longest to boil. So I'm gonna add all the potatoes, and I have 6 potatoes. Then I'm gonna leave this to boil, and then I'm gonna come and check on the potato because you don't want the potatoes to be mushy or soft or boil out. So just check on them. I'm gonna work on the sauce now. Food boil sauce now. I'm gonna make the sauce for the seafood boil. I'm gonna start off with 2 sticks of butter. I'm gonna melt 2 sticks of butter. I have 1 head of garlic that I mint and crush. I like to use fresh garlic, but I'm also gonna use fresh garlic and some, the garlic that you get from the store. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of this. I don't really like using it. I like to use fresh garlic, but you need a lot of garlic in your seafood boil, so I'm using 1 tablespoon of that one. You can go ahead and use this one. People always use the one in the water. And I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of complete seasoning. This one, 1 tablespoon. And this butter is unsalted because it don't make sense. You're gonna use all these seasons that have been lots of salt and still get salted butter. What's the sense? And I'm using 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of Old Bay, some 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning, half tablespoon of garlic salt, half of it, garlic salt. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper. And I'm gonna add the onion. I'm gonna add the onions to it. I'm gonna add one whole lemon. I'm gonna add one whole lemon to it. Just squeeze it because it's thin. I'm gonna give this a stir. Oh my god. This is smelling so nice. You wanna go and get it. You wanna go ahead and taste it. As I always suggest, please taste whatever you're cooking. It doesn't matter if you're following an instruction or you're following a video. You're gonna eat it. And everybody's taste buds are different. So what you can adjust to your liking, please adjust to your liking. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more of the lemon juice because I like lots of lemon juice into it. I like lemon juice. I'm gonna put this on low. Put this on low to boil. Now I'm gonna go in now and add some parsley flakes. You can use fresh parsley, but I don't have that at the moment. Now I'm gonna use some parsley from the butter. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in a 1/4 cup of water. And you want all the seasoning to be nicely dissolved when making this. Oh my, this looks so gorgeous and beautiful. Okay. So I'll give it another taste. Jesus. Tastes so good. That the lemon is giving it so much flavor, and the garlic, everything come together so nicely. Oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and add add a 1/2 tablespoon of pepper to it already. I know I'm gonna add another half. Because I found out it needs another half, so I'm gonna put another half into it. And you don't have to use butter, you can use oil. So I'm gonna leave this to simmer down a little bit. And I'm gonna check on the potatoes. I'm gonna check on the potatoes right now. Check on the potato. I think they need about 5 more minutes and they're good. Now I'm gonna add the eggs. Over to the sauce, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You don't have to do this part, but put 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. This is gonna balance out everything. Smelling so good. It smells like I'm at a Cajun restaurant in here. The house is like a Cajun. Smelling like a Cajun restaurant or a seafood restaurant. Or maybe Red Lobster. And this is about done. This is done right here. Now I'm gonna go over to the potatoes. I'm gonna turn off the stove. And I'm gonna leave the sauce. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take out the potatoes. This took about 10 minutes. You want them to be firm and soft in the inside. You don't want them to be mushy and breaking up. I'm going to take out the corn still, because corn don't take long to boil. These are already done. I'm taking out the corn. The corn already soaked up all the flavor. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please leave a comment down below and share. I'm going to take out the eggs also, because they're boiled. I'm going to take them out. And the eggs take like 5 minutes to boil. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the crab legs. The crab legs are already cooked, so I'm going to let them stay about 6 minutes and then take them out. I'm going to put in these first, let them go halfway, and then when they go halfway, I'm going to put the shrimp and the clam, because these are easily cooked and you don't want your shrimp to be tough and rubbery. 4 minutes in, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the shrimp. And I'm gonna add the clam. As soon as you see the clam open, you need to take them out. They're done. And as soon as you see the shrimp starting to change color, you need to. They're done, because you don't want them to get tough and hard and rubbery. I'm going to give this 2 minutes, the shrimp 2 minutes, then I'm going to take them out. Time to take out the shrimp. See? Take out the shrimp, take out the crab leg. I want to take out everything. I don't see none of the clam yet, so I'm gonna look if the clams are open and then take them out. Once they're open, they're done. You can leave a comment down below and what you guys would like to see us make next, or see me make next in the next video. Please leave a comment down below. Leave a heart down below if you reach this far into the video. See, so now the clams are open. I'm gonna turn off the stove and I'm gonna continue taking out these. I'm gonna continue taking out everything. See, everything is nicely boiled. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add this beautiful sauce on top. you have it, guys, my seafood boil, and I'm just gonna go over it with some pepper flakes for presentation. I'm just doing this, and I'm going to add some parsley flakes on top. And see, guys, it was easy for you to make. You don't have to spend all your money on red lobster and hook and reel or whatever. So you can make your own seafood boil or your crab boil. See, guys, this was so easy and it tastes delicious. Look at it, guys. Can't wait to dig in. And now I'm gonna do a taste test at the end of this video. Not the end of this video, because it's the end. I'm gonna do a taste test. So there you have it, guys, my seafood boil with some crab legs, shrimp, potato, corn, and some delicious clam. And now I'm gonna dig in. Moya, you wanna do a taste test with me? I'm gonna do a taste test, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and please subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Please share with a friend, a family. Just support a girl, support me, please. And subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, and hit that like button and that notification button so you can be notified. So you can be notified whenever we drop a new video. And you can also leave a comment down below on what you would like for us to make next. So we're gonna do a taste test.
Good.
You look good? What do you want to taste? You want to taste some shrimp? You want to taste the shrimp?
I want to taste this one.
You want to taste the sauce? Which one?
I want to taste this one.
Oh, you want to taste the crab? Okay, wait. Let me give you one.
Yummy, yummy.
Let me make you taste it, and it's not spicy. You gonna take a bite, or you gonna tell me what you think? Bite it.
Yum.
Tastes good. The sauce is good. Taste the shrimp.
Okay.
I'm gonna stop. You want me to take it out, or you don't want to take it out?
I want you to take it out.
The sauce is A1. Nobody can tell me say. No, man, nobody can say. I know some professional make that salsa. That salsa too bad. No, man, no. Lemon and guan. No, heaven. No, man.
I was going to taste this. I was going to taste this.
Okay, let me try and take it out for you. Because I don't have that thing that they use to
Honey.
Go ahead and bite it. Because I have strong teeth.
Well, I have teeth.
This is so delicious. The sauce is.
I'll eat this.
Lisa, let me take it out for you. The sauce is amazing, and you can taste the boil in the crab leg. Then you can't. No, man, I talk too much now. Here we go.
Okay.
No, sir.
That's another one. That's another one, Mommy.
You want another? Crack it and crack it for you.
Oh, and I'll see what chill over here.
Now, here is the crab.
Okay.
You want to taste the guys, this is so yummy. Tell them this so they don't know I'm telling a lie. You like it or you don't like it?
I like it.
I'm gonna try a clam also. Jesus. Delish. I love it.
Me too.
Tastes so amazing.
I like it.
I'm gonna try a potato. Just to show them how tender and soft they are. Delicious. Want to taste it?
It's a taste of
I want to taste the crab leg. That's your favorite. I have to get a scissors to take them out, but I'm gonna cut them out open for you guys. So thanks for watching. Tell them what it. Ben and I tell them.
Thanks for watching. Bye guys.